बॉयफ्रेंड्स ना फिल्मों की तरह होते हैं, कुछ टाइम पास तो कुछ ब्लॉकबस्टर्स. वेल दैट्स one of the catchy dialogues from Ae Mushkil, and the movie is releasing tomorrow, and hopefully it's going to be a blockbuster considering the tremendous buzz around it. We have with us Ranbir Kapoor and Anushka Sharma. Finally, huge pleasure to have you guys on board Hungama.
Thank you for you.
Dialogues of I think the movie is something that has been the big talking point.
You guys enjoyed. हम सब जानते हैं Karan Johar from his first film onwards. His one strong point is dialogues. You know, he always has very interesting take on dialogues. If it's melodrama, if it's comedy, if it's some cheeky new line, he's a very good dialogue writer, and he writes his own dialogues. So yeah, I think dialogues is also a very big plus point in Ae Dil Hai Mushkil also.
Right. What about you? You enjoy just saying all these dialogues? There are a lot of interesting ones as well.
One thing good about Anushka, I'm sorry, I'm also answering on her behalf, is that she makes every dialogue, ना, she makes it very casual. तो कभी ऐसा लगता नहीं कि कोई dialogue बोल रही है, you know, ऐसा लगता है कि she's talking to you. Many times when you're acting with her also, ना, ऐसा लगता है कि ये acting नहीं कर रही है, actually बात कर रही है. Because it's very hard to, you know, take a melodramatic line and make it very casual and non-filmy way. She has a good talent for that, and I think that's one of her plus points.
Would you like to add to that?
Thank you.
Cheers.
लव टेढ़ा है, लेकिन उस टेढ़े लव में भी सुकून पाना सिर्फ कुछ लोगों को आता है. So somewhere these various permutation combinations of a love that you guys are telling, you feel that it's like something that people will want to watch again and again, primarily for such dialogues and just.
See, I think like what he said, you know, Karan has a knack of telling you some really serious things.
So if I've said, are you repeating?
In a way that, because I'm going to lead to something.
Okay.
In a way that it kind of, firstly, you ask questions that you only want to know the answers. You've already moved on to the next question.
इतना कम टाइम दिया मेरे पास ऐसे नहीं है. टेंशन मत करिए.
मेरे को सवाल पूछने का टाइम नहीं है, जवाब का टाइम नहीं है.
3 कैमरे हैं. We will manage actually. आप start करें. I'm all ears for you.
The cameraman was also laughing.
I'm all ears for you. Trust me. Please carry on. Yeah.
तो ही हैज दिस knack of, you know, making every बहुत सीरियस बातें वो बोल देते हैं, लेकिन वो इतने उसको कम या छोटे, you know, sentences में बोलते हैं कि आप समझ जाते हो कि क्या हो रहा है. तो एक पूरे सीन में अगर ये एक लाइन पड़ी है तो उससे आपको सब कुछ समझ में आ गया कि मेरे समय पे रिलेशनशिप का क्या हाल है, अलीजे का एंड यू नो क्या चल रहा है उसकी लाइफ में उस समय पे. सो आई थिंक दैट इज हाउ Karan also helps to move the story forward, you know, with these kind of dialogues.
Absolutely. यहाँ आके लेटो अलीजे, अभी मुझे सेक्स नहीं करना है, एक और थप्पड़ मारूं क्या? You know, a lot of people are boys are saying that why will anyone say no? You know, men generally they don't have problems at all actually, or maybe the context is something else.
The context is of course is something else.
They're trying to just create some fun out of the situation.
Also the situation is कि उसका अभी दिल टूटा है. उसको लगता है उसका दिल टूटा है and वो उससे सलाह मांग रहा है. But also वो नशे में
उसको इनवाइट नहीं कर रही है for that.
Obviously.
वो कुछ और दिखाने की कोशिश कर रही है. But जब आप सीन देखोगे, जब आप फिल्म में देखोगे, it's quite a funny scene, the entire scene.
Right.
So the context is not sexual.
Okay. All right. And you guys enjoy the entire shooting process because I think what's being said that the reason that you guys came together for this movie was the off-screen chemistry that you had in Bombay Velvet, the comfort level that you guys shared. That's what Karan Johar found very interesting, and that's how you guys came together for this movie.
Yeah, that's what Karan said, that he used to observe us on the sets of Bombay Velvet in the kind of way in which that we are with each other off camera. It made him think that Ayan and Alize, the kind of personalities that those two characters have are is very similar to how we are off screen. And that's why he took us in the film.
Okay, मुझसे पहली सी मोहब्बत मेरे महबूब न मांग, that entire triangle of the dialogue that you guys have, that the way you say that पहले से ना मेरे महबूब न मांग, the way you say that, it has a lot of energy into it, man. In terms of एक जो होता है unrequited जो element होता है, that कहीं ना कहीं एक जो दर्द है और एक कहीं ना कहीं एक element of hurt है, which comes, गुस्सा भी है कहीं ना कहीं, एक जुनून टाइप का है. You guys enjoyed that process, like, because I think that dialogue has creates ripples actually the moment you see it.
वो सीन बड़ा मजेदार था क्योंकि वो एक ही सीन है जहाँ तीनों किरदार जो प्राइमरी किरदार है, they are doing a scene together, so the dynamics were correct. ऐश्वर्या और अनुष्का के बीच में, मेरे और अनुष्का के बीच में, ऐश्वर्या और मेरे बीच में, तो जहाँ ये सीन आता है in the film is a very interesting portion of the film. It's the crux of the story actually comes across here. So we had a lot of fun during that scene.